Hey guys, it's Deedee. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Portland. We're going rafting. I want to challenge myself and do some things that I haven't done before. I want to go skinny dipping. I want to do a bunch of things. So today we're heading rafting. We stop at this beautiful location. It's just fantastic. Exposed. Cheers. And you're making the typical me break my typical rules. It's true, I'm a sucker for you.
I do it for content. I'm willing to die for the shit, nigga. I'll take your fucking life for the shit, nigga.
It's fantastic. Huh? It's cold? Damn.
Okay, coming on step 4. No.
I'm so happy. This is lovely, yo. This is, oh, the water is cold. You know, we have to take a quick look at Insta haul moment. Wow, so nice.